guys, welcome back. How are you? Today we're going to be doing BoxyCharm, February BoxyCharm. So I just got my box, and I will say this box is larger than usual, so we'll find out what's in this box. I'll be honest with you, I have no idea what's in this box. The only thing I might have an idea of is a Huda Beauty palette, which kind of makes me sad, and then like a brush set. Other than that, you know that we get different variations, so I might not get those things. So with that being said, go ahead and subscribe, like, leave me comments down below if you get BoxyCharm and what you got this month for February for Valentine's month. Yeah, so I'm gonna talk to you about the product that really shocked me from last month that I surprisingly fell in love with. Now, you know that I was on the iffy side about the Daily Greens Pharmacy Moisturizer. I cannot believe that I fell in love with this thing. It's so good, and I now know what it reminds me of. If you're Latino or Hispanic, you know something called Agua Florida. It comes in a bottle. It's like holy water mixed with some other stuff. We tend to use it for like headaches and things like that, but for some reason the smell of this gives me that vibe. Like, it reminds me of Agua Florida, but it's very clean, it's very green. The moisturizer itself, it's so clean, and now that I'm like smelling it, I do smell a lot of the papaya. As you can see, I've been using it. I love the jar. I love that it came in a glass jar. And this is an oil-free gel moisturizer with moringa and papaya. This is super hydrating, but me personally, I have to be careful because I noticed that, unfortunately, with such a great product that I fell in love with, if I use it too much, I tend to get little whitehead pimples. So there's something in here that's super strong for me, but I noticed that if I use it every other day or every 2 days, just once the day that I'm using it, I don't get the whitehead pimples, and it pretty much leaves my skin feeling nice and refreshed, hydrated, clean. It's not a slippery, nasty type of formula. It is just, it's really good, you guys. I'm so shocked that I fell in love with this, because you know that I was on the iffy side about it. It's so good. This is paraben free. Like, it's free of a lot of stuff. It has no fragrance, paraben free. I don't remember the price on it, and this is 1.7 fluid ounces of product in here, and it's silicone free. It's a daily moisturizer, but again, I can't use it every day. It's so good on the skin. I absolutely love it. It works on my dry patches. I have not had my dry patches come out since I started using this, and it is a dream. It's great under makeup. It does not break up my makeup or anything like that, and it doesn't leave like a nasty, harsh, like kind of residue behind. It is just super clean, super good, amazing. I absolutely love this. So this was my winner from my last month's box. So let's get into this month's box. So I got my scissors. You guys, I literally just got this. I haven't opened it, so I have no idea what's in this. We are gonna find out together. So let me open this. All right, let's see what we have in here. Oh, I did get the brush set. Okay, card. Super cute, obviously for Valentine's Day, and we have 5 full-size items, 25, 26 with tax a month. Super duper worth it. I will leave, like I always do, prices on the bottom when I talk about them, and then my total at the end. And if you haven't seen my last month's unboxing, I will leave that up for you above as well. So the first thing we got is Ace Beauty Nostalgia palette. Really? Oh no, wait, wrong one. Wait, there's a palette in here, and it's by Ace Beauty. Wait, hold on. What? Oh, seriously? This one's for $38.99. You guys, I've been wanting this one. Stop it. Okay, I'm bugging out right now. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so gorgeous, so amazing for spring and summer. Do you not see this vibrancy? Oh my goodness, this is just yummy. This gold right here, and this, Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so excited, you guys. That is great. And you guys, Ace Beauty, we've gotten them in BoxyCharms before. They're an amazing brand. They are consistent with their eyeshadow formula. I have several of their eyeshadow palettes and I love them all. I really do, you guys. So I am just ecstatic through the roof about this. So this is the Nostalgia palette, consists of 15 colors meant to inspire fun and creativity, as well as make you feel nostalgic about some awesome past fun times. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. $38.99, you guys, and super affordable too. Like, you guys, come on. This is, wait, how do I get it back in here? Does it fit in here with the bubble wrap? Holy crap, how did they get it in here with the bubble wrap? Do you not see that? I don't want to break the box and I just got it. I'm so confused right now. How did they get it in there with the bubble wrap? Okay, I'm moving on. Oh, you guys, I'm so excited about that. Okay, so the next one is by Saturday Skin. I've used this brand before. This is a Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. Okay, I've used the moisturizer by them before. It was like the Glacier moisturizer. I used the entire thing. I did like it, but I just felt like it really didn't do much for my skin. But I paid for it, so I used it, so whatever. This is $29, a lightweight mask that works while you sleep to deliver moisture while targeting the look of aging, dullness, pores, stress, and texture. Okay. This unique jelly texture mask is crafted with the yuzu fruit, which contains 3 times more vitamin C than any other citrus. That is very interesting. And this is 1.69 fluid ounces of product in here. Oh, this is so cute though. It's got like the citrusy orange lemon type of thing on top. Same bottle as the other one. Oh, wait a minute. This is cool. It comes with a little scooper thingy. That wasn't in the moisturizer one. Oh, I see why. I don't smell anything. But you can see like it looks like it has like pieces of, I don't want to drip it all over the place, you guys. It looks like it has pieces of like lemon and citrus and like orange peels in it. I'm not sure if you're gonna catch that on camera. Let me see if I can bring down the lighting, and I don't want to contaminate that. It has like pieces of stuff in it, like lemon or like the zest or whatever. That is pretty cool. Okay, now I'm a little intrigued, and now I want to try this. I like the packaging. Let me see how this feels, because I got some on my hands. It feels nice. It doesn't smell like anything. I really can't smell anything, you guys, but we're gonna give it a whirl. We're gonna try it out. Sometimes I really enjoy getting skin products in my boxes because they make the box totally worth it. Why can I not close this? Okay, it's staying like that. Skincare, you already know, like, it can get super expensive super fast, and it is just ridiculous. But sometimes I don't want to try all these different skincare stuff, and then my skin breaks out, and then it has a heart attack, and then it doesn't know what is causing it, and then I have to stop everything. It is just, yeah, it's a bit much. So I'm really careful with stuff that I use skincare wise. The next one, we have Wander Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek. This one's for $22, and it says, get ready to take your lips and cheeks on a double date. This lightweight duo pairs a sheer tint with a universal balm that can be used alone or layered on lips and cheeks. The sheer tint blends effortlessly into skin, while the clear shimmer-free balm provides comfortable hydration and glow. So again, I've used Wander Beauty before. I actually really love their mascara. Oh my god, you guys, their mascara is really good. I absolutely love their mascara, but I never got the chance to repurchase it. It is just one of those beautiful mascaras that volumize. It literally does everything that you want in a mascara. It separates, volumizes, lengthens, doesn't clump, doesn't leave residue under your eyes, nothing whatsoever. Okay, this is pretty. I've never tried their lips or their cheek products before. This is 0.07 ounces, and it's a, oh, I thought maybe it would be magnetic, but it's completely together. This is what it looks like. The packaging is cute. It's a double duo. Oh, so this is the lip balm, And it comes with a little mirror. And then the top side is the blush. I'm not too keen on I'm not too keen on cream blushes. Or maybe it's just me because I don't know how to apply the shit, but it's a little bit, I mean, it's, I don't know. Okay, there we go. We got some pigment there. That's pretty. It's very pink. Not my vibe. I'm not into the pinky blushes stuff. But since I don't know how to use cream blushes, I'm gonna try to see if I can get this to work for me. I love the packaging though, and it's super travel friendly. This is great. I really like this. We're gonna be giving that a try. The next product is Glam Glamiere. I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure. Oh wait, it's not this. It's the brushes. This runs for $29.95. Glittery, enchanting, and fun. This set features 4 essential eye brushes. Ultra Soft Duo synthetic bristles make blending easy and flawless. So I've never heard of this brand before. This was one of the spoilers that I did catch and see online. So we're just gonna open it, and it does come in like a jelly pouch. This is cute. Wait a minute. I see some. Wait a minute. This thing is like, there's something in the brushes that's moving. So it comes like that. Oh my goodness, I think they're glittery brushes. Oh, you guys, how pretty is that? This is like literally perfect for Valentine's Day. Why they gotta suck me into shit like this? This is so pretty. They feel super soft. They have an ombre tip. Again, the lighting, you guys, I'm sorry. So they have an ombre tip. The tip is pink and then it goes down into white. And then it's got like little hearts in them. How cute is that? Oh my goodness, you guys. If you guys get this in your box and you're like in love with stuff like this, you're gonna love this. I just hope that the brushes are amazing because I would love to travel with these, and they're small enough to travel with where they're not bulky, and they come with 4 of them. You got some blending brushes and then like liner brushes, and you can use this for like your eyebrows and stuff like that. You guys, I'm with this. Again, I've never heard of the company before, but I'm totally like, who doesn't need brushes? You always need new brushes. That is so cute. I am like, wow, this is so cute, you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, last one is St. Luxe Beauty. It's a limited edition liner duo. It runs for $40. Jesus Lord. This lip liner duo makes lip shaping easier than ever with a creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating formula. The liner smoothly glides onto lips and blends with little to no effort. Achieve a fuller look by overlining lips just above the natural lip line to get a plump, kissable lip. This is what it looks like. I want to say I've heard of this brand before. I'm not sure because the font of the brand it looks familiar to me, but I'm not sure. Okay, it is a duo. Okay, one of them is darker than the other one. So we have Secret Admirer and Love Letter. And this is what they look like. Probably one is just like, they're both lip liners, but you can use one or the other as lipstick. Line your lips, fill them in, do an ombre effect, do anything you want with them. Let's swatch them and see. So this is a Secret Admirer. The packaging is really, really pretty. It is basically a chocolate brown, and wow, this doesn't go on pretty smoothly. Like, it's like tugging at my skin. It's not creamy at all. These are lip liners, really? Anyways, and then the other one is a Love Letter. I've never tried this brand before, you guys, so this is definitely to do an ombre effect. I like Love Letter more. There you have it right there. So you can definitely do an ombre effect with them, or if you have these and you like the formula, I need to try them out because filling it on my hand is just it's a little rough. So I want to see how they are going to be on my lips. But yeah, you guys, so that is the last product by St. Luxe in my box. So I'm going to leave you guys the total right below here. And I'm pretty excited. Let me know what you guys got. I'm really excited over the brushes, and I'm really excited over that darn palette. I can't believe I got that palette in the box. I'm so excited. All right, you guys, that's my BoxyCharm for today. I hope you guys are having a good weekend. Again, happy Valentine's Day. Go ahead and subscribe, like, if you like what I got in the box. Let me know. Again, comments down below what you guys got. I look forward to using these things. All right, you guys, I love you. Be safe, stay kind, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.